Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at some premium chisels from a Korean brand Samawangu. SAB chisels are handmade by professional craftsmen with over 20 years of skill, going through multiple stages to ensure excellent quality. These chisels are built for precision, strength, and flexibility, so you get clean, sharp panel lines. The stainless steel handle is tough and rust-resistant. I did a review of SAB panel liner back in 2 years ago, and since then, the lineup has become much more specialized. New sizes like 0.075, 0.125, 0.25, and 4mm have been added, along with the zero size 1 and 2 blades, giving even more options for precise panel lining. These chisels are designed to work perfectly with the SAB panel line holder, which has a hexagonal shape for better grip and balance, making it easier to use for long periods. They also come in different colors. It's too much work to change the blades every time, so I just label the holder to keep them from getting mixed up. But if you don't want to get the holder, each chisel also comes with a heat shrink tube. These are the 01 and 02 blades. They are designed to bevel scribe lines, reach difficult corners, and transform seam lines into panel lines. For instance, 01 is perfect for sharp lines, where you gently follow the corner with light pressure to create clean, detailed edges. And when you combine two parts together, you can transform seam line into panel line. Two is a bit broader and works for deeper and more prominent lines. You may apply with a bit more pressure to create consistent, smooth corner details. These are the SAB guide tapes in 3mm and 5mm. These tapes make freehand scribing a lot easier. Whether you're touching up seams or adding new lines, they help keep everything straight and neat, making the whole process faster and more accurate. If you're in Toronto GTA area and looking for these tools for panel lining, both Argama Hobby and Panda Hobby carry these products. I always hang out at Argama Hobby, and if you happen to bump into me, don't forget to say hi. That's it for today. I hope you found this helpful for your panel lining projects. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.